Hi everyone. In today's EvolveFM 2012 Features Review Series Overview video, we're going to take a look at the Pictures Library. The Pictures Library can either be selected from the main menu, or if you've already got it open, you can simply click the bottom menu icon down here and the Pictures menu library will come up. The function of the Pictures Library is to give you a place to create and maintain graphics that you're going to use in multiple data records in EvolveFM. Mostly in the area of assets, where you might have 100 computers and you want to use the same graphic to represent those 100 computers, or a photocopy machine, or a fax machine, or something like that. Also building pictures, that sort of thing. It gives you a single data structure to store graphics that you can reuse as many times as you need to for both data records and reports. The administration selection on the menu is pretty simple. We have a group of file types here. These are the generally used file types that we could figure out needed to be involved to represent the various graphics that you might use in EvolveFM. You might have additional picture formats on your computer that you need to add to this. So it's a simple matter to click Add and add an additional graphic type if you want to. But we've got all the major ones here. I think the important thing that you want to be sure of is that on your computer you have a software that will recognize these various formats, so that when you double click on a graphic or a document, if you would, it'll be able to open up and you'll be able to see it correctly. Selecting on the Pictures menu selection over here, we can see the data records for the various pictures. It's pretty simple in terms of having a graphic, a name, a description if you want. You're able to categorize your pictures by buildings, computers, office equipment, whatever groupings you find useful in terms of being able to sort out the different kinds of graphics you might want to put in here. As in all Evolve grids, you can tug and pull these fields around to get them in the order that makes the most sense for how you like to look at things. And once you've created a view that you like, you can click the Manage Views to create your own personal view that'll come up every time you go into the Pictures module. The data record is pretty simple here. I can click on a particular record and click the Open button up top here. It opens up the record with the name, description, the category, and we've got some categories built in here. You can obviously add to these as you need to, where this file came from, when it was uploaded, and who uploaded it. And of course a preview of the graphic itself. You could download that graphic if you needed to. You could also upload a replacement graphic if you needed to. And just to give you a sense of where you can go with this, if I come over to my Assets module by clicking down here on Assets, and I come into where my computers are and I double click on a particular computer, and I come across the record for the CPU to Picture, you can see the picture that I have here is the picture that we see in the Pictures Library. If I wanted to select a different picture to represent this asset, I could just click here to go to the Pictures Library and select the graphic that I thought better represented this asset. To summarize, the Pictures Library gives you a place to store graphics that you want to reuse multiple times in various data records in EvolveFM. Thanks for watching.